Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll explain how you can add pages on your Shopify. First, make sure your Shopify is logged in and you're on your admin page. From here, click on Online Store. Then click on Pages. Now, if you already have existing pages on your Shopify store, it should show up here. Now, as for me, I haven't added any, so to simply add a page, click on Add Page button. From here, you can add the title of the page, what's inside the page, and edit the website SEO. Now, you can also set the visibility of this page. If you want, as soon as you add the page, it would be visible, then leave this as is. But let's say, for example, you're launching a new product and you've told your customers that by tomorrow around 9 in the morning, it will be visible or it will be available on your store. So go ahead and set a visibility date. So let's say 9 tomorrow and 9 in the morning. So just go ahead and set that. And then lastly, your online store theme template, you can go ahead and change that, whatever option is available for you. Now, once you're all set with this new page you're adding, go ahead and click Save. And once you've saved that, let's go back to the pages and then you should see it here. And that's it. That's how simply you can add pages to your Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.